So we are going to have a look at calculating the mean and standard deviation of this data in question part B. So we're looking at this data here. So what I would do is first of all list the data. So I'll name that X, so it'd be 120, 140, 130, 125, 10, 150 and 130. Now the next thing we need to work out is our mean. So our mean is to add up all the values. Plus 125, plus 110, plus 150, plus 130. And then divide by how many values there are there, and there are 7 values there. So what we need to do is add them up and divide by how many we've got, and I've worked that out to be 129.29. So that's my mean value. So what we need to do next is take each one of our X values and subtract from it our mean value. So I'm going to do 120 minus 129.29, give me a minus 9.29. I'm going to do 140 minus 129.29, gives me a 10.71. I'll do 130 minus 129.29, give me 0.71. 25 minus 129.29, give me minus 4.29. 110 minus 129.29, give me minus 19.29. 150 minus 129.29, give me 20.71. And then finally 130 minus 129.29, give me 0.71. So my next column is to do my X minus 129.29 and then square it. So I basically need to square each one of these values here. So we've got minus 9.29. Now remember, when you're squaring that, you should have it in a bracket. So we're going to get 86.3041. 10.71 squared, give me 114.7041. 0.71 squared, give me 0.5041. Minus 4.29 squared, give me 18.4041. Minus 19.29 squared, give me 372.1041. 20.71 squared, give me 428.9041. And finally 0.71 squared, give me 0.5041. So remember that when we've done these, we need to add all those values up together. So we'll go 86.3041 plus 114.7041 plus 0.5041 plus 18.4041 plus 372.1041 plus 428.9041 and finally 0.5041. Gives me a total of 1021.4287. So to calculate our standard deviation, I take this value, this 1021.4287, and divide by n minus 1. I divide by the number of points I have minus 1. So I've got 7 points here. It's going to be 7 minus 1. I then need to square root that answer. So put that into our calculator. We're going to get 1021.4287 divided by 6, which gives me 170.24, and then performing the square root gives me the answer of 13.05. Therefore my standard deviation is 13.05 and my mean was 129.29.